Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we are learning how to order coffee in English. It's fun, easy, and useful every day.
Yes. So, relax, grab a drink, and let's go to the cafe together.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome. What would you like today?
Hmm. I want a coffee, please.
Sure. Do you want a small, medium, or large coffee?
A medium, please.
Okay. Do you want milk or sugar?
Yes. A little milk and one sugar, please.
Perfect.
Hey, Emily.
Oh, hi, Paul.
What are you doing here?
I'm ordering coffee.
Nice. I need coffee too.
Good morning, sir. What can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like an Americano, please.
Of course. Small, medium, or large.
Large, please. I love big coffee.
You always love big coffee.
Yes, more coffee, more energy.
Do you want milk or sugar in your Americano?
No, thank you. Just black coffee.
Okay. Anything to eat?
Do you have croissants?
Yes, we do. Chocolate or butter?
Butter, please.
Perfect. One medium coffee with milk and sugar, one large Americano, and one butter croissant.
That's right.
Okay, that will be $7.50, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait one moment.
It smells so good here.
Yes. I love the smell of coffee.
Me too. Every morning I need coffee.
Really? Every morning?
Yes, no coffee, no energy.
Medium coffee and large Americano.
That's us.
Here you go. Enjoy your drinks.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
My coffee is so good.
Mine too. I love it black.
I like milk in my coffee. It tastes soft.
Soft? Ha ha ha. That's a cute way to say it.
Yes, not strong, just soft and warm.
That's nice.
Paul, how do you order coffee in other countries?
Good question. In some countries they say espresso. In others, Americano. But in English, it's very easy. I'd like a coffee, please.
Right. That's polite and simple.
Yes. You can also say, can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Perfect. Very natural.
Or I want a coffee, please.
Yes, that's okay too.
What if I want tea?
Easy. Just change the word. I'd like a tea, please.
Or can I have a green tea, please?
Exactly. You can add the type of drink.
And if I want something cold, like iced coffee?
Just say iced coffee. Can I have an iced coffee, please?
Oh, that's easy.
Yes, very easy.
English is easy when we practice like this.
What else can we say in a cafe?
How much is it? Or how much does it cost?
Yes, and thank you. Very important.
Always say thank you.
And don't forget, you're welcome.
Yes, nice manners make people smile. Let's review. What did we learn today?
Okay, let's practice together, friends. Say after me. I'd like a coffee, please.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Small, medium, or large?
Do you want milk or sugar?
Yes, please. A little milk?
Anything to eat?
Yes, one croissant, please. Great job, everyone. You are speaking English.
Yes. You can order coffee in English now.
Next time you visit a cafe, try it.
Say it with confidence. I'd like a coffee, please.
And smile. People love friendly customers.
Okay, friends, that's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed our coffee conversation. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. And share this video with your friends who love coffee and English.
Yes, practice every day. Small steps make big progress. What is your favorite drink at a cafe? Write your answer in the comments below.
See you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.